Hello and welcome back to our lessons. This video is a continuation of our Facebook ads topic. In the previous videos, we have learned how to connect using the frequently asked questions, buttons, and quick reply. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the advanced setup and connect our JSON code. So if you are on your ad creative, instead of using the start conversation under your message template, we are going to use the advanced setup. So choose the advanced setup here and click edit. Once you are on the advanced setup configuration, you would see a JSON code here. So do not be intimidated here because this is a simple copy and paste. So what you need to do is click the very top of your JSON code and then delete all of them. Once deleted, we will replace it with our own JSON code. That JSON code can be copied directly from your chatbot. So go back to your MMIO chatbot flow, and once here, you would be able to see your JSON code generated by clicking the copy JSON code here. In this message, I used the generic template because with generic template, I can add an image, I can add a title and a subtitle. Whereas if I use just a plain text, then I won't be able to add a message. It's better if we use generic element here and then click the copy JSON code icon here. After clicking that, a JSON code will be generated and will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Now go to your Facebook ads message template and paste the code that was copied earlier. And as you can see, it is automatically transformed into a JSON format. Now, there are things that you must consider when using JSON code, because if you use JSON code, you won't be able to add a personalization. So what is a personalization? I'm going to show you what it is. Let's go back to our flow. Example, you are going to use a text element. Whenever you use a variable, example, the first name or the last name, that is what we call personalization. Variables or personalization will not work on your JSON code, so avoid using them. That is why for the elements that is going to be the source of your JSON code, such as this one, avoid using variables such as first name, like this one, or last name, because these personalizations and variables are not going to be transformed into their values. Instead, it will be sent as is. So avoid using them. Now let's go back to our message template. Since we have already added our JSON code here, we can now test this out by clicking the preview in Messenger button and then click OK and then preview that on Messenger. Great, we have already received the test message, and this is the generic element that we have configured earlier. And as you can see, the JSON code that we copied generated this one. If we click the check our properties quick reply, it will take us to the message that is directly connected to it. Now let's try to trigger it again. Preview in Messenger and then click OK. And this time, we are going to click Contact Us Quick Reply. And as you can see, it also directed us to the message that is directly connected to the Contact Us Quick Reply. Alright, that marked the end of this video. I hope now you know how to use the JSON code with your Facebook ads. In the next video, we are going to learn how to connect your Facebook ads using your chatbot flows m.me link. So stay tuned on our next video.